Curb ramps help prevent damage to your vehicle's suspension, wheels, and bodywork. But choosing the right one is important to ensure that they work as advertised. We compare BRIDJIT and Curb Corrector ramps to see which one will suit your needs best. A good curb ramp should be easy to install, be made from sustainable and durable materials, and offer a warranty and service backup you can count on. BRIDJIT curb ramps meet all of these requirements and are made in the USA from recycled materials. This means you are supporting the local industry and will benefit from prompt customer service. Curb Corrector ramps also seem to tick most of the boxes, but they are made in China, and the only way to contact the manufacturer is through third-party resellers. This may hinder warranty claims and customer support. BRIDJIT has been selling high-quality US-made curb ramps for almost 2 decades. We offer a 5-year warranty you can count on and can be contacted directly for sales and queries. Rivals can't compete with that level of quality and service. Click on the link below for more information.